I can't do it. I want to go home.
Hey guys, where are we going?
San Francisco.
Thanks, Evan, for driving. He's asleep. We have about, what, 4 hours left?
4 hours and 26 minutes.
4 hours and 26 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It feels like we left like 2 hours ago, though.
Right. Woot woot. Here we go.
We made it. Anyways, we made it to the hotel 6 hours later, but we are here. I realized I never talked about why we went to San Francisco, but we're here to film some stuff if we can. Wow, I look like I've been in the car for 6 hours. We brought our drone and yeah, we're gonna see the sights. We're gonna try and go to a bar tonight, so we'll see how that goes.
There's no try, only do.
Oh, we are going to a bar. I'm staying here. Tim and Evan are gonna cuddle over there, and it'll be great. So we ended up at the coolest bar.
Tuesday is just bad. To the rhythm that'll make your body rock. Well, so you heard my voice, but I want a few friends along. Next on the mic is my man. Hey, come on, hey, that's all. Check me out, I'm him to dip. The ladies pimp. Today, I sit down with a brand new rhyme. And the same black miracles never see. Hey, devastator masterpiece.
So this is Evan's first time being in San Francisco.
Yep.
So therefore he has to get a dirty dog. And if you don't know what a dirty dog is, I'm about to show you. They also just had pizza. Let me just say that.
I'll have one dirty dog.
One dirty dog.
I'll have one.
Happy? It's even on your beard.
Hell yeah.
So guys, thoughts?
Gold.
Gold.
Gold. Delicious.
Gold. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Mom.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we woke up to try and chase the sunrise, but we're probably gonna miss it. It's still dark outside right now, but we're gonna go to the bridge and take some pictures. Gotta go to Muir Woods. We danced our asses off last night.
It was my best life.
I was just gonna say that.
Oh!
Do not kill us,
I'm sorry.
please.
Sorry.
We have a vlog to make. Your first time, Evan, on the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh my God, it's life-changing.
So it is way too foggy for us to go to the bridge right now, so I'm showing them this crazy place. It's literally a dock and they're homes that are built on top of boats, and it's so cool. Oh, violators will be prosecuted? Wait, should we not? I've walked through here before. So we're here and we haven't been arrested, so that's a good sign. The tide is super low right now, but each of these homes are literally floating on water. It's really, really cool. I've been here once before, like years ago. I think I was like 14 or 15, so it's weird to be back, but it's cool. Tim's gonna kill us.
Sorry.
So things did not go as planned. We cannot go to Muir Woods, which really sucks because it's really pretty. But apparently it's booked out for summer. Who would have thought? So plan B. Okay, this does not feel like August. I can't believe dang, I'm so cold. This is what I'm gonna look like all day, so. So, Evan, was it everything you thought it would be?
So my question is,
Yeah, what's your question?
it's Golden State Bridge. Golden. And yet, why is it red?
I'm sure if we looked it up, we could find the answer to that somewhere.
What do you guys
Why is the Golden State Bridge red?
Golden Gate.
Golden State. Why did I say Golden State? Because of you!
I said Golden State.
Golden Gate. Well, I need to go back to school.
Golden Gate.
Golden State Bridge,
Why is
guys.
it
We're
Golden Gate?
tourists. Golden Gate Bridge red. If you know, comment down below. We were sitting here completely alone, and then now. And Tim has joined the tour group.
No worries, we're just enjoying. No one's around. We're getting the shots. Hello, tour bus. I'm joining in.
So we kind of rested, we changed outfits, but now we are going to take the drone up into the sky in the one place that we can legally fly it in San Francisco, and that's the Bay Bridge.
Won't let me go any higher. Smile!
The best thing is that we end up looking up every time, and then everybody else that walks up is like, what are they looking at? Casually flying a drone in San Francisco. We did it. Nobody got hit. It was a success. So we were trying to go to the Golden Gate Bridge, and then we drove past this and we decided we absolutely had to stop. Today has just been the coolest day. We've done so much. We've been awake since 4 o'clock in the morning, but it has been so worth it. I feel like basically this vlog is just gonna be a series of all the places we stopped to take Instagram pictures. That's what this vlog is gonna be. So we stopped here to take this photo and here to take this photo. But
I just
also,
want to see this place.
yes,
I don't want.
no, Evan has never been to San Francisco, so this is actually kind of primarily all for Evan. He's our child.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
And it's worth it just because of that
Oh.
face. Oh, Evan, what'd you think?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
So, okay, so much for that. I'm gonna end this for today. We'll be back tomorrow, but we're gonna get ramen at the best ramen place in San Francisco. Actually, the best ramen place that I've ever had.
So we're gonna end it for today, but if you come back tomorrow, I swear it's gonna be a lot more beautiful.
AKA in like 10 seconds from
And
now.
so it's gonna be great. So just hold tight, stay in your seats, and we'll get back to it. Okay.
So, Evan Nelson is taking over my YouTube channel.
So this is no longer the Zenna show. It's you're gonna be logged in on my channel now. So this is my channel now. Look at me. Look at me.
I'm the captain now.
We're leaving. Well, not really. Kind of.
Bye.
Long few days. Beautiful
Long few days. We're not quite leaving, actually.
Good filming, good pictures.
So it was a fun 3 days. I'm so glad that you could have joined me on my trip here. You know, it was just so great. Hopefully you could join next time. And if we got on my web series right here.
On my scripted web series. Actually, JK,
My
this
life.
is a reality show. No, actually, we're gonna go to Phil's Coffee and then go to maybe one other place and then drive home. So like, but we're leaving. I hate you.
Going in for sure.
Where am I going? Left or right? Where am I going?
Left. I'm crying.
Why do you
I
make me
cannot.
cry?
Okay, I need to catch my breath. I still can't get over it. I cannot get over it. Anyways, we're now going to Phil's, and then we're gonna go to Dolores Park, I think. And if I swear to God, Tim Fisher, if you try and scare me again, I'll kill you. What do you think?
Wow.
Wow,
Wow.
it's the last stop.
How was your poop?
All right.
Please don't end it now. Please, I can't do it. I want to go home.
Anyways.
All right. So, anyways, this has been a great trip, guys. So
Wait a
it's
minute,
been
wait a minute.
awesome.
Anyways,
hey,
this is how we're gonna end this.
This is how we're gonna end this. So you know, it's been a great fun time. I had a blast.
This is what I've been dealing with for the past 3 days.
And you know, she's been dealing with just absolute greatness and awesomeness.
Beauty, man, beauty.
Beauty. We are
All
beauty. We
success.
are grace. And I think that's how we should end this
Miss
because
United
this is San Fran.
States. Hey, guys.
All right. Well, this is how we're gonna end this. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and check out this YouTube channel. Hashtag Tim Fisher if you want to see any of the stuff that I'm doing, like surfing and stuff like that. And
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe as we keep spinning.
Like and subscribe.
Keep spinning. Just spin.
Just spin. Oh wow, this is just I'm getting dizzy.
Okay, here you go.
I cannot. I'm done. Peace out.